Okay. I taught you too many things. Static road, static road, uh, routing protocol concept, uh, RIP, OSPF, IPIP, and also GRE. Okay, we always tries to decrease the scope of our broadcast domain. We always try to decrease, make it slower, the broadcast domain of the broadcast domain. Okay, when you use a router to connect two sites or two clients or two network, you use layer 3 connection, means IP. But in a LAN, we use MAC address, means layer 2 connection. Okay, each interface of a router is a layer 3 interface, and each interface has its own broadcast domain. Okay, and the router does not let the broadcast goes out through that interface. The router blocks the broadcast. Okay, but MikroTik invent a protocol named EoIP, or Ethernet over IP. See, this is layer 1, physical, cable or fiber. This is layer 2, MAC address. Then this is IP. The IP goes upper than MAC. Okay, so physical, data link or MAC address, then IP. We call the MAC address Ethernet. Okay, Ethernet is a protocol, it's not important, but we call this Ethernet. MikroTik suggest and invent or create a routing protocol by its own. So it is a MikroTik property. What do I mean? I mean, on the both side of the tunnel, both of the routers should be MikroTik, because it is a MikroTik property. Okay, MikroTik suggests that you can travel the Ethernet upper than IP. Okay, for example, from Kalor and Shiraz is layer 3. We use, for example, many times Hama call me, please connect to our router. I use IP to connect to him. Okay, I use IP to connect to him. So I use a layer 3 connection. Okay, but when I am sitting here, I can connect to my router using MAC address. Why? Because my laptop and my router are in the same broadcast domain. But I can't see others' router. Why? Because other routers are in the different broadcast domain and I can't see them. MikroTik suggests that you can see other broadcast domain. It is really bad. Okay, but sometimes this tunnel is very useful. For example, if you want to traverse your VLAN, for example, here is a VLAN, in Kalor, okay, and I want to see the client in the VLAN, and I am sitting in Shiraz. Okay, using Eoip and a concept named Q in Q, I can go to the tunnel that is located in Kalor. to a VLAN that is located in Kalal. Tunnel is a layer 3, but I can see VLAN. VLAN is layer 2. Yes. Okay, it is useful in this concept. But everybody, most of the people does not know Q and use VLAN, use Eoip for their tunneling. Okay, Eoip makes our network slower because of broadcast. Okay, because of broadcast. Because when you connect two router using Eoip, it seems connect this router using Ethernet. Okay, let's check it. See, I open, for example, this is my router. I'm connect to my router. Your router are disconnected? No. But I can router Ali. I can ping router Ali. Let me delete. Let me delete my route. I think all of our network is down. I think all of my networks is down. No. I only can ping. Neighbor, I see you. Ping, yes, I have you. Ping, I have. Please, 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 go to your routing OSPF. Everybody, go to your routing OSPF. Delete all of the network. Delete all of the network. Delete all of the network. And remove all of them, please. Open the door. That's خوش. Okay. Okay. So in the routing OSPF network, remove everything. Okay. Then hit the add and then OK. Okay. Hit the add and then OK. Now it's formatted. We wait to open. Okay. Turn on my router. Okay. As an example, suddenly router D has been reset. Okay. Suddenly. Good. Suddenly, not by fault. Suddenly reset. Okay. System reset, for example, configuration. Skip backup, yes. No default, yes. Okay. We reset everything. Okay. Suddenly. Okay. Suddenly. Instead of electric, my mind not here. My mind not here. First that is not here and the router suddenly reset. Suddenly. Not first at fault. Okay. Hejar is very happy. Teacher, when I wrong mistake and another thing is he's very happy. What are the things? Before you working together. Okay. But as an example, listen to me please. But as an example, now we are going to configure router D router using CLI. I think it is interesting for you. I go to IP neighbor. For example, I don't have IP access to that router. Okay. I'm going to my IP neighbor using MAC telnet, username admin, and then connect to the router. System identity set name D, for example, IP neighbor print to check which interface is connected to who. Interface set name, okay, ether 2-c number 0. Okay, and then ether 3 a, okay, number 1, okay, 1, and now if I print interface print, they are renamed. They are renamed. Interface bridge add name. Thank you. Name br-lan interface bridge port add interface ether 4 bridge br lan again interface ether 5 and also why there is 2 ether 3. Yes, let's reset again. Wait. Okay. System identity set name hit this window please. Hit D. Okay, IP neighbor Kabakhtiar, please be quiet. Okay, interface set name ether 2 dash c number 1 and ether 3 dash a number 2. Okay, then interface bridge add name br hyphen wow hyphen lan interface bridge port add interface ether 4 bridge wait brlan okay interface bridge ether 5 and also ether 1 okay and then go to IP address add address 10.10.10.10.13/30 interface ether which ether is connect to me ether 3 and 10 to ether wait یه لحظه 10 یعنی بعد از این کلاس قاطی میکنم فارسی حرف بزنم کردی حرف بزنم انگلیسی حرف بزنم My wife just called me and I tell him wait a minute. Okay. Ether 2 to router C. Okay. Routing OSPF instance print. Okay, this is the instance routing OSPF instance set router ID to 4444 number 0. Okay, routing OSPF network add network 1000 area backbone. Come on. Very good. Okay, I do all of the configuration using CLI. Please learn the CLI. CLI is really interesting. It's better than Teambox. It is really more powerful. Okay, now we can see, after a second we can see we can detect the router D also, and we have the routes of router D after a second. Okay, okay, listen to me please. Now we are going to run our Eoip. Now we are going to run our Eoip. Okay, I run a Winbox and connect to router C. Okay, at first, I have to create my tunnel. Go to interface, open Eoip, open Eoip. Hit the add button, Eoip to C. As you can see, there is MAC address.
Well, yes.
Why? Because it's
Layer
a
2.
layer 2 entry. It can operate layer 3 too. Okay, local address 10.10.10.10.9 and sorry, 10.10.10.1 and remote 10.10.10.9. And the tunnel ID should be the same
10, 9.
with the other router. Okay, for example, if there is, for example, 3 Eoip tunnel from I to Recon, another to I and Hema, another from I and Shevan. Between I and Recon is, for example, 0 0. Between I and Hema is 1 and 1. Between I and Shevan is 2 and 2. Okay, okay.
Now my ID.
For example, I copy this one here and copy here and let this to 0. Okay, choose the IP secret as we teach in GRE and IP. Uncheck this allow fastpath, apply and apply and apply and apply. Okay, okay. Wait. Before this tunnel run, if we check the IP, let's stop this. If I check the IP neighbor, I only see B and D in my neighbor.
That's right.
Okay, why? Because I only see the interface are connected directly to me, and the router is in the same broadcast as me. I enable this. Now I go to IP neighbor. Wait. After a second, that we find out that we can see the router C2. Okay, we have to wait. Let's clean. Update. Wait. We have to wait. It takes some seconds, okay? But after that it will show. But, okay, you see me, IP neighbor. Yes, as you can see, they see me. Okay? It like as we are directly connected and see my MAC address. IP neighbor. But this side you can see. And now I'm going to create a bridge. For example, oh no, for example, there is a bridge. I add this Eoip. Where is the Eoip to my bridge. And also I'm going to disable your DHCP. Why? Because when you connect two sites using bridge, only one DHCP, because it's a one broadcast domain, and on one broadcast domain only one DHCP. I disable the DHCP and then add Eoip. Okay, now I close my Winbox, open another one, and I can router C2. And your laptop will give IP from my DHCP. Okay, this is Eoip tunnel. It is very easy to configure. No more route, no more IP. But it is not good. It is not good.
It's good for me because I know a little, not all of.
Okay.
همون اون کردی زوری شکر سازت کنده میشه باید برا همون نمیزنی خب سوار ما کردی why is not bad
Okay. Because it consume too much bandwidth. 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 Okay. I stop it. Please practice this one. Please practice this one. Then we will go for VLAN. Okay. After VLAN, please listen to me. After this session, we will talk about VLAN and Q&Q about half hours, 40 minutes. Okay. After that, listen to me. After that, VLAN and Q&Q. After that, you will have a rest, and we will talk about recursive next hop resolving and route filtering, and the course will finish. Okay.
It's not finished.
Okay, I will sit here to answer your question.
After that,
But until 10, okay? But our course outline will finish, okay? So practice this one. After that, we will practice VLAN and Q&Q. VLAN and Q&Q. After that, VLAN and QQ. After that, recursive next hop resolving and route filtering, and that will be finished. Okay.